Good morning, students. I hope all are fine by Allah's grace. Today's topic is what is functional group, then examples for functional group. Third one is how the functional group is combining with the alkane and alkene group. Last one, there are some structures that involving alcohol and ketone. That is how the functional group is involving with alkane and alkyne group. This is the today's topic for discussion. I hope in last class we have learned about that alkane, alkene and alkyne structure. You would have practiced well at your home. If you would have done that, this part will be very easier for you. So let us go to the class right now. So what is functional group? First one, what is mean by functional group? Simple logic. See, functional group is equivalent to friendship group. Yes. Question will be how? The response is very simple. Friendship group is very much important for the characteristic properties in our life. If your friend is good, your character will be good. Good friends leads to good characters. Similarly, bad friends, you know about its consequences. Similarly, how the characters of your life is changed by friendship group. Similarly, functional group also changes the characteristic property of an organic compound. So, for organic compound, functional group. For life, friendship group. Both will change the characteristic of our life as well as here characteristic property of organic compound. So, let me say the exact definition of functional group. Functional group is nothing but an atom or group of atoms which is responsible for the characteristic property of an organic compound. That organic compound may be alkane or alkene or alkyne, whatever it may be. On addition of functional group, its characteristic will be changed. So how it is? Let me explain. First, there are some examples for functional group Fg. That is alcohol, aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid. One more is there, that is called ether. These are the examples of functional group. It is represented by symbol, that is OH means alcohol is a bond with OH and bond with CHO, aldehyde. C double bond of O, ketone. Carboxylic acid, single bond of COOH. Ester means of bond of O. These are the some examples of functional group. So, functional group means atom or group of atom that is responsible for the characteristic property of an organic compound. Second one, what is the example for that? These are the alcohol, aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid, ether. These are the some of the examples. Now, how it combines with function, that is alkane and alkyne. Let me explain here. See, one carbon with 4 hydrogen. This is well known for us. What is this? It is called methane. Similarly, 2 carbons with 6 hydrogens. What it is called? It is called it as ethane. It is called it as methane, that is CH4. This is C2H6. How we drawn that? Based on the formula CnH2n plus 2. This is called alkane group. Hope you have remember about us. So how this functional group combines here? See, in place of one hydrogen, this alcohol will be take place. That is called CCHH. So it will become CH3. In place of H, one alcohol group will be combined. This is called functional group. So on combining of this functional group, the methane will become as methyl. CH3 is methyl, OH is alcohol. So its name will become as methanol. See, this alcohol has changed the name of methane as methanol. So the characteristic property will definitely change, because today ethanol is generally called it as alcohol. We are using it in Dettol. People are having as liquor. So many uses, and then in what is that? Tincture we are using alcohol, etc. And even in perfume we are using alcohol. So simple ethane has been changed as ethanol due to presence of alcohol. How here? See here, CH3, this one single bond of CH3 single bond of CH3, this is called ethane. In place of one hydrogen, what will become? If you remove one hydrogen, it will become CH3 CH2, and I am using one alcohol there. So altogether it becomes C2H5OH. So it is called as ethanol. So ethane, C2H6 is ethane. On decreasing one hydrogen, it becomes C2H5. It is called ethyl. So ethyl plus alcohol, it becomes ethanol. Similarly, propane, C3H8, butane, C4H10, pentane, C5H12. So how its structure will be? 1, 2, 3. So 3 carbons, 8 hydrogen. 4 carbon, 10 hydrogen. 5, 7, 10. Pentane, it will become 5 carbons with 12 hydrogens. C3, 5, 7, 9 and 12. For your better understanding, I am writing here. So how it can be written as CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2 and CH3. How? See, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2 and CH3. This is called pentane. This is called butane. This is called propane. If I removed one hydrogen, if I remove one hydrogen atom, what will it will become? It will become propyl. It will become butyl. It will become pentyl. How its structure will be? Simple. CH3, CH2, CH2. This is called propyl. It is called propyl. Now it become as CH3, CH2, CH2. On removing one hydrogen, it will become butyl. On removing one hydrogen, it will become CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2. It is become as pentyl. Can understand, my dear students? Simple. So propane contains 3 carbon and 8 hydrogen. On removing it, it becomes C3H7. It is called propyl. On butane, it contains 4 carbon and 10 hydrogen. On removing one hydrogen, it will become C4H9. This is called butyl. 3, 5, 7, 9. Pentane, it contains C5H12. On removing one hydrogen, it will become C5H11. See, 3, 5, 7, 9 and 11. Okay. So what is its use now? This propyl will be combined with an alcohol. That is alcohol. Its name will change. How? Here one alcohol group will be added. Here an alcohol group will be added. Here an alcohol group will be added. Now propyl plus alcohol become propanol. Butyl plus alcohol will become butanol. Pentyl plus alcohol will become pentanol. This is the logic. Hope you have understood how the alcohol group is changing the name. In your book, how it is given, let me explain. See here. In your book, how it is given. See here. Methyl plus alcohol becomes methanol. Ethyl plus alcohol become ethanol. Propyl plus alcohol become propanol. Butyl plus alcohol become butanol. Pentyl plus alcohol become pentanol. This is the method. One more simplest method to understand here is simple CH3OH. One more method CH3 CH2OH. Here CH3 CH2 CH2OH. Here is CH3 CH2 CH2 CH2OH. See how many carbon is here? 1. So it is called meth. Bond is single, so alkane group ANE. Ane. Alcohol is added, so OL. On combining it, you remove this E, you write it as methanol. Number 2. 2 carbon is there, so I can write it as eth. Bond is single, so ane. Alcohol group is there, so OL. So on combining it, it becomes as ethanol. Alcohol group. Now here 1, 2, 3. Prop. 3 carbon means prop. Bond is single, so ane. Alcohol group is there, so you add OL as a suffix. So we will get propanol. Here carbon is 4, you can write but. Bond is single, so ane. Then alcohol is there, OL, so you can write it as butanol. So 2 structures. One is 2 method. This is method number 2. Just understanding the number of carbon, then alkane group, then functional group. Adding both of 3, you will get the name. It is called IUPAC name. IUPAC name. International Union for Pure and Applied Chemistry name you can get. Or one more method, as I said, methyl plus alcohol, ethyl plus alcohol, propyl plus alcohol, butyl plus alcohol. You get the same as methanol, ethanol, propanol and butanol. What is the trick here? Simple. When methane has decreased its one hydrogen, it will become methyl. On ethane, on removing one hydrogen, it will become ethyl. On propane, on removing one hydrogen, it will become propyl. On butane, removal of one hydrogen, it will become butyl. On combining with alcohol, it will become methanol, ethanol, propanol and butanol. Propanol and butanol, pentanol, etc. It goes on. So this is the method how the functional group is working in the alkane group. Hope you understood here. In the next class, I will explain about the ketone and carboxylic acid group. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day and please practice these structures at home. Thank you and have a nice day. Thank you for watching.